Hey there, Helen here. We're in the home stretch of our meal planning and prepping series. We know that meal prep can be a great way to save time and stay on track with healthy eating habits. So many of my clients, before they come to work with me, actually told me that they have to cook a separate meal for themselves, either because they are counting calories and they have to control everything that goes onto their plate, or because their family doesn't like quote-unquote healthy foods. So they have to make chips or fried chicken for them every single day. However, when you're cooking for a family with picky eaters, it can be a little bit more challenging. But don't worry, I've got you covered with some tips to help you navigate meal prep for your family. The first thing to keep in mind is to involve your kids in the process. Ask them for input on what they like and don't like, and let them help with meal planning and prepping. This can help them feel more invested in the meals and more likely to try new things. You can also try incorporating some of their favorite foods or ingredients into healthier meals. For example, if your kids love pizza, try making a healthier version with a cauliflower crust and plenty of veggies. Another tip is to keep things simple. Don't feel like you have to make a different meal for each family member. Instead, focus on making a few versatile dishes that everyone can enjoy, and adjust the seasoning or toppings to individual preferences. Or you can make it like a salad bar and they can assemble their own dishes. Or you can also make a large batch of grilled chickens or roasted veggies and rotate these meals throughout the week. You can also try introducing new foods in small amounts. For example, if your family isn't used to eating a lot of veggies, start by adding a few pieces of broccoli to their favorite pasta dish. Over time, you can gradually increase the amount of veggies and let them try new ones. In summary, meal prepping for a family with picky eaters can be challenging, but with some planning and creativity, you can make it work. Involve your kids in the process and keep things simple, and introduce new foods gradually. Remember that it's okay if not everyone loves every meal. The goal is to introduce healthier habits over time. The recipes, meal ideas, and sample menus in the stress-free cooking bundle are all designed to be both physically nourishing and mentally nourishing. By this I mean, not only do they contain a range of vital nutrients, but they're also fun to eat and delicious. And many of my clients actually find catering to their kids' preferences so much easier, because they can find foods that they are excited to try and love. So if you're struggling to find foods that are both nutritious and fun to eat, and that cater for both adults and children, make sure you check out the Stress-Free Cooking Bundle at helenwong.co.uk/stress-free cooking, all in one word.